In People v. Robert E. Abrams, attorney Robert E. Abrams faced disciplinary measures due to several instances of professional misconduct. These issues involved: 1. Conflict of interest. Abrams was representing 3 individuals and a corporation in a lawsuit while simultaneously being named as a co-defendant in the same case. This situation posed a conflict of interest because Abrams's personal interests as a defendant could potentially interfere with his duty to represent his clients fairly. Ethical rules require attorneys to disclose any conflicts and obtain written consent from their clients to proceed. Abrams did not meet this obligation, which was a violation of professional ethics. 2. Inappropriate behavior in litigation. Abrams also submitted discovery documents that included personal attacks, ad hominem remarks, and inflammatory language. Such behavior is unacceptable in legal proceedings, where attorneys are expected to maintain a standard of professionalism in their written and oral communications. Abrams' failure to do so further breached legal conduct standards. 3. Violation of court orders and disruption. In addition to his improper written communications, Abrams disrupted his own deposition, a process in which witnesses provide sworn testimony. He abruptly ended the session after less than 30 minutes, obstructing the legal process. As a result, the court appointed a special master to review the deposition transcript and oversee a second deposition to ensure proper procedures were followed. Outcome. Abrams received a 1-year suspension from practicing law. Of this, 90 days were mandatory, during which he could not practice. The remaining 9 months of the suspension were stayed, meaning they were not enforced as long as Abrams successfully completed a 2-year probation period.
We are on the record at 9:16. Today is March 12, 2018. This is the video testimony of Robert Abrams, taken in the matter of Justin Markovitz versus Jacob Daniel et al., case number 17 CV 30522 in the District Court for the City and County of Denver, Colorado. Today we're located at 110 16th Street, Suite 1400 in Denver. I am the videographer, Timothy Auermeyer. The court reporter is Divine Basinger. Will all attorneys please introduce themselves, beginning with the titles?
Thomas Werge on behalf of plaintiff Justin Moskowitz.
Attorney Robert Abrams, license 37950, appearing pro se.
Neil Sullenberger, attorney registration 48698 for the firm.
Will the court reporter please swear in the deponent?
Sir, I'm going to ask you to raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth under penalty of law?
I do.
Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Abrams. As you know, my name's Tom Werge. I'm counsel for plaintiff Justin Moskowitz in this lawsuit. And do you understand why you've been asked to give your deposition today?
No.
Are you aware that your firm, Abrams and Associates, is a defendant in a lawsuit that's going to trial next month?
Yes.
And are you aware that you are a witness regarding the actions of Abrams and Associates?
Yes.
Have you had your deposition taken before?
I think so.
When have you had your deposition taken before?
I don't recall.
How many times?
I don't recall.
You're sitting here today under oath. You have no idea whether you've been deposed before?
Object to form.
I've answered that question. Object to form. Move on.
Mr. Abrams, have you been deposed
Object to
before?
form.
Object to form. Move to certify the question. If you feel that I haven't answered, then you can move for a sanction.
We're going to go ahead and stop the deposition at this point and dial the special master.
We are going off the record?
No, we're staying on the record, please.
Okay.
Would you be prepared to read back my answer to the special master regarding counsel's questions as to whether or not I answered that question?
Good morning. Could we speak with David Tenner, please?
Let me check and see if he's good. May I ask who's calling?
Thank you. Yes, these are the parties from the Moskowitz versus Dahlman matter, and we are in the middle of a deposition this morning.
Okay, hold on just a moment.
Thank you.
He is not in the office at the moment. Can I get a number and have him call you back?
Yes, that would be great. If you could please,
Okay, I'll send him an email right now.
appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Are we gonna stay on the
Abrams.
record here?
Yeah, we're still on the
Oh, okay.
record. Yeah. Mr. Abrams, I want to ask you one more time. Have you had your deposition taken before?
Object to form.
Asked and answered, move on.
You need to answer the question.
The question was answered. Excuse me, have her read it back.
Yep.
Mr. Abrams, this is not your deposition.
Please don't harass me.
No, I'm not harassing
We're
you.
going to move for sanctions
I'm
against
asking
you.
you to
If you're not
answer
going
your
to
questions.
allow
He just
her-
answered the question.
He did not answer the question.
He just said he did not recall. That's an answer to the question.
So it's your testimony under oath today, Mr. Abrams, that you do not recall whether or not you've ever been deposed before.
Asked and answered. And so please read
You
my
need
answer
to
back.
answer my questions, Mr. Abrams.
Please read the answer back.
No, do not read the answer back, Mr.
Like-
Abrams.
like the answer to be read
Let's
back.
move on. How many times have you been named in a lawsuit in your individual capacity?
I can't recall.
Have you ever been named in a lawsuit in your individual capacity?
I think so.
Okay. And when do you think that you were added as a defendant to a lawsuit in your individual capacity?
It may have been, if I get it right, it may have been in the BB matter.
So it's your testimony today, you've been added, you were a defendant in a lawsuit in one matter, and that was the BB matter, is that
Object to
correct?
form.
I think they added me as an individual defendant, and they lost the case that went to jury trial. I think that's my recollection. I don't remember it very well. The man, BB, attacked me in a stairwell and at my garage, and I think he named me individually in that suit, and then he lost that suit. That's my recollection.
Let me ask the question again, Mr. Abrams. Is this BB matter that you're referring to the only time you remember being added as a defendant in a lawsuit?
Object to form.
To my recollection, yes, that's my answer.
And you said the other party was named BB?
Yes,
Okay. What was the other party's full name?
Sean Beeson. We call him BB. I represented him in a matter where him and his wife were both arrested for DUI. He was thrown in a drunk tank for being belligerent, and he sued the city. And then I put a restraining order on him for 9 months for attacking me in a stairwell. And then he sued, I can't remember if he sued me individually, but I think he did. And then he lost that suit outright at jury verdict. So we're gonna move to strike that as irrelevant, object to form, and that it's gonna lead to non-discoverable evidence. Under the rules of evidence.
Mr. Abrams, you are not allowed to. I am allowed to interrupt you. This is my
He's giving his
deposition today,
answer.
sir.
You can't- it's
And
my
you
answer.
need- it
This
is
is my
not.
answer.
You are not allowed to
He-
put objections on the record. You are a witness today. And Mr. Abrams, you are represented by counsel. Your counsel is allowed to put objections on the record. You are not today.
I am a lawyer.
Do you understand that?
I am a lawyer. I don't need a lecture from you who doesn't understand the rules of evidence. Under the rules of evidence, the only thing that can come in under the rules of evidence is truthfulness and untruthfulness. So to the extent that you're trying to disparage me because you have me on videotape and embarrass me for things that you can't bring in, I'm going to raise, move to strike, find it objectionable, and then move for sanctions for harassment under Rule 30D. You can look it up if you don't know it.
Mr. Abrams. I feel quite confident that if any sanctions are entered in this matter, it's going to be against you
Object to form.
for continuing to obstruct and not answer any of my questions.
Object to
You
form.
cannot object.
I just did.
You cannot.
I just did. I'm a lawyer. I'm a licensed, unblemished member of the bar. Unblemished. If you laugh at me one more time, we're going to walk out.
We're going to move for 30D3
We're
sections.
going to move for harassment sanctions against you right now. Okay, you're laughing at us with the videotape that you published on the internet about you and your rock band, and you're going to be laughing at me. And you've moved for sanctions and had them denied every single time in this matter, and the jury should see that too. Every single one has led to no sanction.
Mr. Abrams, are
Including
you
the last
aware?
one where we quashed all of your subpoenas. And you asked for attorney's fees and you got no sanction.
Mr. Abrams.
Let's move on. Do you have a question for me? You sued my firm belligerently under the abuse of your law license, where we countersued you. We have a counterclaim against you for abuse of process for misusing your law license. You sued me for fraud, civil conspiracy, not civil conspiracy, conspiracy, which is a criminal act, so you did that wrong, and aiding and abetting, which is a criminal act, so you did that wrong. Ask me questions about that or I'm leaving.
Mr. Abrams, we're going to be here for a long time today if you do not answer my questions. I just want to let you know that right now.
Object to form.
And put that on the record. Mr. Sullenberger, I'm sorry.
Stop laughing at my lawyer.
This is bizarre.
Stop laughing at my lawyer.
Bizarre.
And